Yeah, I have a problem.
You got, okay, give me the, let me draw a rectangular prism here. Try to do my best. Not too bad. Okay. And we'll come across. All right, what do we got for dimensions today, buddy?
All right, so the height is 10.
The height is 10 what? 10 what's?
10 in, feet.
10 feet, thank you. Okay.
The length is 8 feet.
The length is 8 feet, so we're going to say right here 8 feet. Okay.
And the width is 3 feet.
The width is 3 feet. So if I remember right, when we started off, you said that we were trying to do the surface area of this figure. Is that right?
Yes.
So, I've asked some of your classmates and folks about this, but do you understand the concept of surface area? Do you understand what that is?
Yes.
Tell me in your own words, what do you think surface area is?
It's like the area of the surface. It's kind of hard to explain.
It is a little bit hard to explain, but it is. It's the area of the surface of the object, right? So you got a three-dimensional shape, and it's the area of everything that you could touch, basically, like the surface, right? Or what you want to deal with. So we want to find the entire surface area of this particular figure, so we're going to have to do some work here, right? So show me, so how do we start off with? Let's say I want to start off with finding the area of, so if we find the area of the bottom, we can also find the area of the top, right?
Yeah.
Because they're the same thing. So what's going to be the area of those green highlighted areas?
24 feet. 24 feet.
24 feet, keep going.
Squared.
Squared, 24 feet squared, very good. So I'm going to undo the highlights. All right. So we're going to say the top and the bottom. The top is 24 feet squared. And the bottom is also 24 feet squared. Right? Good.
Yeah.
All right, so let's try the front and back now. So we're going to do the front, and we'll also do the back here. Okay?
Okay.
All right. What's that going to be?
They're each going to be 30 feet squared.
They're each going to be 30 feet squared because you obviously saw, that we got the height here, right? The height is 10, and the length across the front is 3, so 3 times 10 gives me 30, right? So we'll do front and back, so I don't know if I'll be able to squeeze it all on here. We'll see. We'll do 30 feet squared, and I think that's going to show up. Is that? Are you seeing that? Yeah, it's coming up. It's right. It's kind of running into our graphics, but we got it. All right. So what about the last thing? Did we forget a side, or we get them all? We're done.
No, we need to do the 2 sides.
We need to do the left and right sides, right? So we're going to do this side and the other side over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's that going to be?
They're each going to be 80 feet squared.
Right. So we got left and right. So the left equals 80 feet squared. The right equals 80 feet squared. And what do we have to do to finish this all up, buddy?
We have to add all of the...
Yeah. So we got, what do we got here? We got 60 and 160, so that's 220. 220 and 48 gives me 268 feet squared, right?
Yeah.
And that's what you get for the surface area. Excellent job. Thank you for calling in, buddy. All right. So, of course, we have another call from Miss Cribb's class. Okay.